Divine message, embracing the tapestry of life. Beloved souls, in this moment of cosmic connection, let the radiance of divine light wash over you, illuminating the depths of your being. As you open your heart to the whispers of eternity, let us embark on a journey of self-discovery and unity. Today, I come forth to remind you of the immense beauty and infinite possibilities that dwell within each passing moment. You are an irreplaceable thread intricately woven into the grand tapestry of existence. Just as a weaver meticulously selects every thread and color, the universe has crafted your unique essence with purpose and love. Remember, you are not a random occurrence but a divine creation, blessed with the power to shape your reality. Within the depth of your being lie dormant dreams, aspirations, and gifts waiting to be unveiled. Embrace your passions and kindle the fire within. Let the divine flame guide you towards your true purpose, for when you align your actions with the cosmic rhythm, miracles unfold. Trust in the divine orchestration of events and have faith that the universe is always conspiring in your favor. In the boundless symphony of life, remember the significance of connection. Each soul you encounter is a mirror reflecting the divine within you. Embrace the diversity that graces your path and recognize the unity that binds us all. Offer compassion, kindness, and understanding to all beings, for in their journey you shall find the echoes of your own. Amidst the ebb and flow of existence, there will be moments of challenge and growth. Life's adversities are not meant to defeat you, but to forge your character and awaken your resilience. Embrace these trials as catalysts for your spiritual evolution, knowing that within the darkness lies the seed of transformation. Rise above the storms that seek to pull you down and discover the strength that resides within your soul. Remember to dance, laugh, and celebrate the joys that life bestows upon you. In the delicate balance of light and shadow, seek the beauty that dances through every sunset, the melody that lingers in the whispering wind, and the magic that resides in the simplest of moments. Embrace the present fully, for it is in the eternal now that the divine reveals itself. As this message draws to a close, dear souls, I invite you to subscribe to this channel of enlightenment. In doing so, you will embark on a continuous journey of spiritual growth and nourishment. Delve deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos, expand your awareness, and find solace in the profound wisdom that shall be shared. By subscribing, you join a community of seekers united in their quest for truth, love, and harmony. May your days be filled with the blessings of the divine. Embrace your uniqueness, connect with your fellow souls, and surrender to the dance of existence. Trust that the universe shall guide your steps and lead you to the destination your heart yearns for. Remember, you are loved, cherished, and infinitely supported. Subscribe to this channel to embark on a journey of enlightenment and discover the divine wisdom that awaits your awakening. Join the vibrant community of seekers and embrace the light that shall guide you on your path. Together, let us illuminate the world with love, compassion, and unity.